In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the print quality in Microsoft Word. If you've ever printed a document and noticed that the text or images didn't come out as sharp or clear as you expected, adjusting the print quality settings can make a big difference. This guide will walk you through the process so your printed documents look more professional and polished. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word. Make sure everything is ready for printing, including your layout, images, and formatting. Once you're satisfied with your document, go to the File tab located in the upper left corner of the screen. From there, click on Print. This will open the Print Preview window, where you can see how your document will look when printed. In the Print Settings section, you'll find your selected printer. It's important to understand that print quality settings are controlled by your printer, not directly by Microsoft Word. To adjust these settings, click on Printer Properties or Preferences, depending on what your system displays. This will open a new window with more detailed printing options. Inside the Printer Settings window, look for options related to print quality. These may be labeled as Image Quality, Resolution, or DPI, which stands for dots per inch. Higher DPI values produce sharper and clearer prints, but they may use more ink and take longer to print. Lower settings are faster and use less ink, but may reduce the overall clarity. Select the quality setting that best fits your needs. For documents with images or important formatting, choosing a higher quality option is recommended. For simple text documents, a standard or draft quality setting is usually sufficient. After selecting your preferred option, click OK to confirm your changes and return to the Print Preview screen. Before printing, take a moment to review your document in the preview area to ensure everything looks correct. When you're ready, click the Print button to produce your final output. As a helpful tip, if you frequently print documents with the same quality settings, you can set your preferred print quality as the default in your printer settings. This can save time and ensure consistent results in the future. And that's it. By adjusting your printer's quality settings through Microsoft Word, you can significantly improve the appearance of your printed documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.